Hey guys, you might not believe this, but as of this moment, we both know a pretty high-profile celebrity. Just listen to this letter I just got. Dear David, I am keenly aware of the damage that battery corrosion inflicts on our democracy. The sense of betrayal undermines faith in our great trucking system. This is why I am writing to you to contribute to my campaign to be elected Battery President of the United States. Today, not all batteries are created equal, but under my power, we can stand up to bad batteries everywhere around our great nation and ensure that there is again value in voltage. Your friend, Mr. Battery. Wow. I gotta say, Mr. Battery, you've got my support for this totally not fake sounding position. I'm sure it's real, especially because today's video is on the topic of how all truck batteries are not created equal. Great timing. You know, there is value in voltage. There's value in voltage. There's value in voltage. There's value in voltage. There's value in voltage. So, you've determined you need a new truck battery. Well, wait a second, let's start here. Are you sure you need a replacement, or can it simply be recharged? Okay, obviously you probably know if your battery can be recharged, but I'm not talking about one that's just a bit low on juice. I'm talking about a deeply discharged, dead battery. Because actually, most of the time, a deeply discharged battery can be recovered as long as it isn't left in a severely discharged state for long. The key is, what's this? Oh, it's a letter from our friend, Mr. Battery. Dear David, yes, a deeply discharged battery might be recoverable, but that is dependent upon the age and the usage cycle of the battery. In fact, many quote-unquote bad batteries could be placed back into service and continue with their operation. The battery in question should be removed from the vehicle and run through a proper recharge procedure. Charged to 100%, load tested, and left for 24 hours and reload tested. Vote for me, Mr. Battery. Gee, thanks, Mr. Battery. But let's say you are sure it really is a bad battery. To the buying tips. You'll find Group 31 batteries, the kind you'll find in heavy-duty trucks, fall into different categories while you're shopping. There are starting batteries designed to start the truck and offer minimal cycling, and dual-purpose batteries designed for starting and cycling, like when hoteling. There are also AGM batteries, which tend to offer both great starting and cycling performance, as well as added protection against high heat. Your battery of choice should depend on application, so be sure to consult your dealer of choice before making the buy to ensure you're getting the best battery for your truck's usage. Each battery technology has a different usage profile and lifespan within the Class 6 to 8 truck market. The wrong battery in an application could potentially result in a lifespan of less than 12 months. However, if the correct battery is selected, overall life could exceed 4 or more times that, dependent upon duty cycle, climate, and maintenance, of course. It's also important to look beyond a battery's cold cranking amp rating, or CCA, when shopping. The CCA is important. It defines a battery's ability to start an engine in cold temperatures, but other aspects of the battery shouldn't be ignored simply to achieve the highest CCA possible. Of course, make sure you have a battery pack that will meet the engine's cranking requirements, but reserve capacity is just as important. This is the battery's ability to power loads while the engine is not running, and also impacts how a battery will cycle. Also keep the warranty in mind. Is your fleet getting a warranty that covers a typical lifespan? How well are you covered by the warranty? What support does your supplier give you to make sure you are getting the right service and support? This is all a great reminder that not all batteries are created equal. For more trucking equipment content, head over to fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.